What's up, guys? It's August 1st, 2024. Ooh, been trading for 3 years this month. Whenever I think I started in the middle of August, but I just call it August 1st. So, been trading for 3 years this month. No payout. That's awesome. Been getting slaughtered. Uh, Another year to go, and then 2 more years will be 5 years. So, screw it. That's gonna be fun. Daily chart. This bar, this gap is gone. I'm just gonna delete it because it doesn't really make sense. Bears kind of got a 2 bar reversal, but the close is bad. I'm sure we traded the sell today, so we know the sell was good. Just a weird close. Doesn't mean it's a bad close. We could see continuation for the Bears. There's now gonna if Bears get continuation. Hold on, let me think here. For a bear gap, there's gonna have to be. So they're gonna need 2 bars to put in a gap down here actually, because there's no gap right here. All the gaps are getting closed, so we're range bound. We are trading at the lows of this range here. It'd be interesting to see what happens maybe tomorrow or next week if we go sideways, breakout, or reverse. I was looking at this chart, and one of the things I had said was maybe the bulls get a retest of this level like this. And I was really trying to think why there's so heavy selling and there's no retest. Like, that trade on the 5 minute, it happens all the time. Trend line break here and a retest. And look where I pointed. I pointed at a trend line break and retest with momentum. I think I pointed right here. And here momentum's dying. So in reality, the trend line break and retest could have been right here. See right here, trend line break, retest, and sell. Because I was like, man, I went short today. I didn't buy the dip once. I took 2 trades. But I was just kind of more bullish, thinking higher lows, retest. But now, obviously, price action is giving me a hand here. I'm thinking that it's just too late in the trend, so now we're going sideways. If that makes sense. So I remember a couple of videos ago, I said we could retest here. Maybe we do retest there, but there's a lot of selling pressure. This is the first time it's happened all year. There's many bars below the EMA. Super sideways on the 45 minute. So yeah, I'm just trying to approach everything more with an open mind, so I don't get too fixed on. I went short today, but I was just pretty bullish seeing that bar. But I guess it makes sense. Range, we break out, failed breakout, bullish shine, close this gap, and a huge sell off. 3 pushes up too. I sold this bar and I sold that bar. Sold here, got out around here, and then I sold here and just got out as we went sideways, and that was my day. Yeah, I'm trying to take a lot less trades and just be more consistent. So we'll see how it goes. Gap up. Bar 1's a bull bar, good for the bulls, bad for the bears. Bar 2, indecision bar. Bar 3 is another bull bar, so leg 1, pull back leg 2. Trading at the high of a wedge. And trend lines don't have to be perfect, guys. It's just there so we can kind of see what's going on. Bullish tried to push up 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. And then reverses. Bar 2 doesn't look. Bar 2 is pretty interesting because at the time, I'm saying bar 2, excuse me. Bar 4, it does kind of look like a pause. It does look menacing. And then it just builds up out of nowhere. Very quickly, the sell starts. All off, that little bar. If you caught that bar really and held it down here, amazing. Bar 5, leg 1, pull back leg 2. When I'm counting legs, guys, there's so many different ways to count legs. The reason I'm counting leg 1, pull back leg 2 is because we don't actually know this price action's happening, right? So I'm trying to hide it. Can you see it down here? So this is what it looks like right now. So leg 1, pull back leg 2, but then it grows really big. Bar 13 is the opposite bar. So that could be the start of the leg 2. You see what I'm saying? And the reason I'm trying to bring this up is because some people ask me questions in the DMs, and please keep asking me questions. But there's just multiple ways to do things, Opposite bars are different legs, and trendline breaks are different legs. Here, some trader sees this as a leg 1 trendline break, leg 2, and he's right and she's right to the extent. Well, she is right. There's a leg 1, leg 2 trend line break. But then also, leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, pull back leg 4, pull back leg 5. Every opposite bar could be a pullback. So we just got to keep an open mind when we're trading and not have a fixed mindset. I remember when I first started out, everything was yes or no. And as this year's been going on, I've gradually been accepting like more and more scenarios. Maybe because that's I've been looking at the charts a little bit longer. But okay, I'm just rambling. Where are we? Strong breakout, bar 8, bar 9 follow through, bar 10 good follow through, bar 11. Just a lot of bull pressure right here, bouncing off the support made from yesterday. However, bar 12 is a strong close, barely even a tick. Bar 15 is a bull bar, could be taking profits. It doesn't actually break a trend line, so we've been just riding down this trend line. Bar 19, bar 18 looks like it's the first trend line break. So this bar, so see the bull bar. Or, you know, honestly, the high of 17 is 35.50, 35. So technically, so a trend line break is when the high goes past the other bar's high. Bar 18 didn't go past 17's high. 17 is an inside bar, and it got continuation. So the first real trend line break we see is bar 20, 23. No. I even tried with that one, 22. Because 22 goes above 21's high. 21's high is 18.25, 23.50. But we can see that. Do you guys see what I'm saying? How this now here's and then look, here is the leg 2. And then bar 29 breaks 28's high. And then bulls get 2 legs higher, leg 1, pull back leg 2, and then 33 pause. 34, the tall tail of 34 is the third push up. So they got 3 legs, and that's a wedge top into the EMA. Strong enough for it. This is so strong it gets its own leg too. A little bit wider. And then here's another leg, see? From here to here's a leg. 38, 40 broke 39's high. But there's another trend line right here. That really didn't. So you see what I'm saying, guys? There's so many ways to count this. And breakouts reset the market cycle. So today looks like a reversal. For it to be a breakout, we have to see follow through. Because if tomorrow ends up being a bull bar, then it's a range bar, and we're in an overall range. But yesterday, from a 5-minute chart perspective, yesterday we were range bound. We broke out and got 2R. I didn't even measure that today. Honestly, that would have been nice to know. 2R, just shallow of 2R's target. If we do body to body, it works. Yeah. So there's lots of ways to frame the market. The market cycle is resetting here, right? Range, breakout, multiple legs lower, channel phase. Now we're going to range again. And in here, the market cycle is coming to an end because we're range bound, and that's the end of the market cycle. So that's that, I guess. Strong leg down, breakout below the higher time frame EMA, leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, pull back leg 4. You really just have to sell anything. You know, it might be hard to sell low after we've been in a range all day. I was definitely hesitant with selling bar 8, but it was just I trade breakouts, and that was a breakout. If I was wrong, I'll hit out. So it worked. Sell off. And then overall, leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. Legs are getting smaller, pullbacks are getting stronger, and then we go sideways. So here's that range. It's crazy how the market cycle happens. I didn't even catch this range when I was saying the market cycle was resetting here. So a reset, breakout, opposite bar, 17, channel phase. We didn't know this at the time, but that was the first start to that was the range highs. And then within this range, leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, wedge bottom, leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, pull back. So really cool leg counting market cycle. Stuff kind of works. I was jumping around today a little bit. Yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys are trading around the market cycle and leg counts, or if you guys are doing your own thing. I study price action from Al Brooks, and this year I'm studying Ali Moinasari's methods. So check him out. Quant System, Al Brooks on YouTube. Quant Systems for Ollie on YouTube. Have a good one, guys. Let me know something. Tell me something. Tell me who you guys are. What's up? Have a good one, guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.